Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a command prompt with administrative privileges so you have permission to remove protected folders. Navigate immediately to the parent folder with cdc /path/ to /parent. This avoids typing long paths. Once there, list contents using dir and confirm the exact folder name. If the folder name has spaces, enclose it in quotes. Doing these steps prevents accidental deletion of the wrong directory and sets you up for the precise removal command. Now you remove the folder. You can run rmdir/s/q folder name to delete the folder and all contents quietly. Use /s for subfolders and /q to skip confirmation. If the folder is empty, rmdir folder name suffices. Make sure you type the quoted name exactly. If the folder is on another drive, switch drives first. Type D, then cd path. Once done, run dir to confirm the folder is gone, and check echo %error level % for command success feedback. Finish by addressing common failures. If you see access denied, take ownership with takeown/f folder name /r/dy and then grant permissions with icackles. For locked files, identify the process using task list and stop it with taskle/pid pid/f, then repeat rmdir. Always verify with dir and confirm no residual data. If you accidentally removed the wrong folder, stop using the disk and restore from backup or recovery software immediately. A good rule.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.